There is a rumor spreading now that GoPro Hero 9 is going to be here very soon. I am also excited to hear this news just like you, but I recently bought a Hero 7. I am going to share my views on the so-called Hero 9. Let's start. If the rumors are true, the GoPro Hero 9 Black with a front display and 5K support is going to be here. Here is what you should know. I personally feel that GoPro could actually introduce this front display with Hero 8 itself instead of introducing display modes. This could have helped a lot of people like me. I get a chance to choose between GoPro Hero 8 with the display mode and GoPro Hero 9 with the front display. I will always select GoPro 9. I am a person who doesn't like to waste time setting up things. I am sure that GoPro was able to sell a lot of display mods with their Hero 8, so according to them, it was a good business deal. What do you think? Please comment your thoughts on this. Another rumor is that the new Hero 9 will have 5K support the coming future. Wow, isn't that amazing? There is no official confirmation yet, thus we need to wait till it is out. It is not certain how much the Hero 9 costs, but my guess would be something between $400 to $500. I know that you are eagerly waiting for the official confirmation, just like me. Unfortunately, we will have to wait a few more months. If all the rumors are true, the company may launch Hero 9 in the first quarter of 2021. Other possible specifications of GoPro Hero 9 Black are summarized in the description section below. Please, check the details and comment your thoughts in comment section below. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. See you in next interesting episode.